Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Muhammad Shoaib Kadir from Shoaib's Knowledges. Today we will learn about how to connect your WhatsApp account with your PC. So watch this video till end. If you have not subscribed our channel Shoaib's Knowledges yet, so please press the subscribe button and be connected with us and also activate the bell icon. So let's start. First of all, you have to go on Chrome. Open the Chrome and it will take us some time. Yes, here it is open. Then let it open completely. Then you have right on here search bar WhatsApp web in here. WhatsApp web. Here is a WhatsApp web. Click on it. The screen will be open right there. Um, Go here. WhatsApp web. Open it. Hmm, I have before login. That's why this is giving us some error. First of all, I will like to log out from there. Then I will connect from beginning. Okay, it will take up some time. Again, I'm requesting to you, my viewers, if you have not subscribed our channel Shoaib's Knowledges, please press the bell icon to subscribe our channel. Thank you. It will take us some time because of network issue. Okay, log out. I am reloading this page because of network issue. It's reloading. So, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel. So, here is our Windows is opening WhatsApp web. To use WhatsApp on your computer, I want to know my subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Hmm. This is a code. First of all, I have to open my WhatsApp chat in my mobile. Here is a on top three dots, right side corner. Click on that. Here is an option on fourth number WhatsApp web. Just click on it and your camera is open. Then scan this URC code. Uh, my code has been scanned. It will take a few minutes to open. Yes, it's scanning. It will take a few minutes. Yes, it's opening. If you want to learn Arabic language online, please contact us. See our more videos. We have started Arabic language course. Just take a bit. It's open. See, my WhatsApp account is open in my PC. If you want to log out, click on these three dots and then you have to logged out from here. So you have learned today about WhatsApp, how to open WhatsApp account on your PC, how to use your WhatsApp account on PC, how to connect your mobile with PC. So if you have liked our video, please like, comment and share this video. So so we will be next. We will meet in our next video. Goodbye for now.